Supreme Court lifted the injunction that had been placed by an appellate court, essentially saying that the Biden regime can step in and cut the wire. Is that all pending the full hearing of this case? And when is this case supposed to be heard?
Right. So I filed that case. It was on the wire, the wire and the fences, because I was out of office when all this was happening. I got back in. The first thing I did was file this lawsuit against the Biden administration because I thought this is insane that they could just start cutting down fences on our property. So we got an injunction at the Fifth Circuit. The Supreme Court had a very narrow vote with Roberts and Barrett siding with the liberal judges. We lost 5-4 and we lost the injunction. But that didn't mean we can't. That doesn't mean we can't still put up wire. It doesn't mean we can't put up wire after they cut it down to let cartels transfer their people in or let the cartels come across. We could still put it back up. There's nothing stopping us. And so we are going to continue to put it up. And if the Biden administration wants to, as you said, set the town on fire, well, guess what? We're gonna put the fire out and stop the fire.
I mean, Ken, is it possible? I'm just thinking out loud. I mean, is it possible for Texas to wire fence the entire border and then sue the federal government to reimburse Texas for the cost of doing what the federal government should be doing according to the law anyway?
So it's a little challenging because we don't control all of it. A lot of it's private. Most of it's private. So we'd have to get permission. The points of entry, some of those are controlled by the federal government. So we can't stop that. All we can control is the public property that we either, some governmental entity has ownership of. So we're very limited, but we're trying to do what we can in the places that we can.